We've had our first actual mechanical malfunction with the side-by-side here. The muffler separated at the manifold there. Broken. Hear how loud it is. We noticed it started to backfire. Hush. It started to backfire, and we started wondering what was going on, and that's what's happening. All right, there it is, where the muffler meets at the manifold. I think it's from the suspension right there. Get a good look in there. There's the problem. Alright, hopefully fix that pretty easy.
I checked the warranty, and sure enough, the exhaust is covered. I contacted Massimo through their online chat thing. It took a while, and I kept getting disconnected. And then I was eventually redirected to the website for the service centers and basically told to call them. And then I saw that there was one 25 miles from the house, but the phone is disconnected, and the nearest one ended up being an hour and a half.
Guys, in the process of fixing our muffler problem, we've learned that the emergency brake doesn't work and that one of the sway bars has been disconnected. And the nearest warranty center to me is an hour and a half away, and they're going to keep it for 3 weeks while they get the part and get it put on. So I'm trying to get a temporary fix so that whenever she comes back, when her vacation's over, that I can take it and we can do without it for that long. So while we were looking at the muffler issue, we found that the sway bar, the bolt, has come loose out of it. That's not the bolt right there. Ha, there's the bolt. So it might be a pretty easy fix.
So for a quick and dirty fix until I can get the warranty repair, I got this flexi bendy pipe and this flexible hardening heat tape to seal it up for temporary. So with these products, I should be able to put the repair off until she goes back to work. The O2 sensor is located in there, and it does make a little bit of a backfire, but should be okay till then. And, stay tuned, subscribe, and you'll see part 2 and see how the warranty repair goes.